Hi, I'm Jeanette Lane for the Papercraft Society, and we have a magical box this month brought to us by Olga Direktorenko of Paper Discovery. So I want to read you this beautiful sentiment from Olga. It says, "Enjoy discovering the delights of the beautiful collection I have put together for you," from Olga. So we're going to show you just how much you get in this box by packing it up. So instead of doing an unboxing like we usually do, we're going to do a reboxing. The Papercraft Society is a monthly subscription box with over 60 pounds worth of crafting goodies delivered right to your door. And there's a different featured designer every month, and there's several subscription plans available, plus free shipping within the UK, which is brilliant. And there's also worldwide shipping for £6. Now, the sign-up deadline to receive the Paper Discovery box is December 21st at midnight. Now, Olga Direktorenko is a designer and popular craft blogger, and she's best known for her elegant detail and sophisticated die designs that allow you to really escape and create magical scenescapes for your cards and your projects. With this box, you'll discover the magic and joy of creating enchanted scenes, and I wanted to share these delightful cards made with the exclusive designs included. So the first is a diorama card, and you can create beautiful diorama scenes with the dies included in the kit. And the next card also uses the dies and features a little fairy scene which we can discover as we look through this beautiful aperture window with the leaves all around. Such intricate dies, you're gonna love them. Now it's time for our reboxing, and there you can see the beautiful design outside of the box. I have emptied out all of the contents onto the desk, and we're gonna work backwards and show you all of the items up close. Now first we have our quote card with a beautiful sentiment from Olga, and it says, "Welcome magic into your life and don't let it go," from Olga. I love that. Great advice. And then when you flip it over, you get a beautiful guide to paper sizes, which is very helpful. It's a little confusing sometimes, but this is a great resource to add to your stash. Have it somewhere handy. Now, the next thing included in the box is some iridescent sequins, and you can use these. I've scattered them throughout here. You can see the sparkle throughout. Looks very enchanted and magical, but you can use these for shaker cards or also for adding a bit of sparkle to your cards. Next, we have 2 meters of beautiful white organza ribbon. You can see how soft and airy and feminine that is, and it's perfect for adding bows to your card fronts. So we're just going to wrap that up, make sure that's nice and tidy. And we'll add that to our box. And again, that's 2 meters of white organza ribbon. As with the previous Papercraft Society boxes, you're also going to receive 2 inks in these colors, which have been handpicked by Olga to create mystical backgrounds and watery scenescapes. And they coordinate perfectly with the papers included in the box, which we'll get to very soon. And these are high quality hybrid inks to build your stash. And the hybrid formula means that you can use these with your watercolors and alcohol mediums, and they're not going to smear. And again, you can build your collection of these inks with every box every month. So next I'm going to grab the beautiful storage wallet, and it's empty because I've put everything out on the desk, but we're going to open it up and you can see it, and we'll fill it back up. So you open it once, twice, 3 times, and we have a beautiful space to add all of our embossing folder, our stamps, our die set, and also some beautiful papers. And we have some gorgeous sentiments there along the side. It says, "Don't forget, diorama dies are perfect for lanterns or to add decoration to a simple box. Simply wrap around a jar, place a tea light inside, and enjoy." So that's just one of the things that you'll be able to do with the die set. So I'm going to set my wallet here as we fill it up. I don't know where to put it. It's so big. So let's start off with our embossing folder, and that's going to go into our wallet. So this is a 3-in-1 embossing folder, and you're going to see why in just a bit. So it's A5 size, and it has two beautiful wave designs right here. So you can cut your cardstock to this size and get two different patterns, and you can use these to build your scenery for your diorama. Now the bottom lines that you see here, these little stripes along the bottom, that's going to help you create the sides of your diorama so that you don't need a scoreboard. It's so easy, and you're going to be able to build stunning scenic dioramas with this embossing folder, and also the dies included, which we're going to get to in just a second. So loving that embossing folder, and we'll put it here closest to us. Next, we're going to move on to the cardstock included with your kit. So this time around, you're getting a coordinated card and acetate. So we have 9 pieces of cardstock, and there's 3 colors and 3 of each. So I'm just going to slide off this belly band, and I love saving it because it makes me really happy. And we can see here the colors. So we have a lemon color, a gray color, and also a beautiful blue here. And there you can see your 2 pieces of acetate for your shaker cards and also to build your diorama scenes. So I'm going to put these papers, because these actually go in the box and not in the wallet, because there's more things in the wallet, like the dies, which I have on a magnetic sheet just because there's so many, and I wanted to show those to you more clearly. So that's why you haven't seen dies yet. But we're going to get to those soon so you can see how you can build the beautiful diorama scenes that I showed you earlier, the examples of. So there is our cardstock. Now let's talk about the pattern papers that are also included. So you're going to get 2 different designs and 2 of each. So we have this beautiful lemon florals there, like lemon colored florals, which match the cardstock. That's also included. So you have those beautiful designs to work with. And then you also get this pattern here, which is stunning. This would go great with the butterfly die that's included, and also the fairy die that's included, which I will get to in just a second. But my favorite is really this gorgeous parchment that you get. So it's a leafy pattern parchment. Maybe you might refer to parchment as vellum, but Olga really loves the ethereal, so you'll be able to create stunning diorama scenes, cards, and beautiful shakers, beautiful backgrounds with this gorgeous soft parchment. So we're going to put our papers away here, just nice and gently, and we're going to slide those into one of our pockets here from our storage wallet. And then we're going to show you the stamps, which, oh, they're there. Thought I lost them for a while. So this is an A5 size stamp set, and I've put just a piece of white cardstock right behind it so we can take a better look at all of the images and the sentiments. So there are 27 stamps included, and the stamps coordinate with the die set, which we're going to get to next, and you can add just scenic detail to your die cuts. You can create silhouette scenes with your stamps. So here you see some silhouettes of some fairies, a little bunny, some butterflies, a dragonfly, and then this little scene here with some grasses. Now, besides silhouette scenes, you can also create picturesque landscapes, enchanted forests. You can definitely include your fairies in an enchanted forest scene, and you got these little cute little whimsical mushrooms, butterflies there, so not a silhouette butterfly. Beautiful. And the sentiments include bon voyage, the only impossible journey is the one you never begin, deepest sympathy, hoping you'll find strength with each new day, new beginnings, get well soon, good luck, and happy new home. And I think I mentioned bon voyage. So a great set for all occasion cards. Okay, so I'm going to put the stamp set away here, and that's where it will come when you receive your box. So it's going to be safely stored in your storage wallet. And then I'm going to grab the dies. So the dies, I have added them to a magnetic sheet that's lost its magnetism. They're like popping off of here. But the dies will be included inside of your storage wallet, all nice and tidy. So they'll be just nice in there, nice and neat. And the magnetic sheet isn't included with your box. It's just how I like to show you the dies so that you can see them in all their splendor. So the die set is valued at 20 pounds and there's 18 dies total to help you create stunning dioramas and magical scenes. And I'm really excited to show you these. They're so beautiful. So these are the ones, these outline window ones here. They are the ones that create that beautiful window that you can see through, discover your own magical little landscapes there. And then we have this beautiful dandelion, which was used in this card here that I showed you earlier. And there's the little fairy. And you can also layer these two dies here to create a different window, a different sized window and aperture for your shaker cards and dioramas. And we also have a little river scene here, a bridge, a crescent moon with a little wishing well. And I've actually die cut these from white so that you can see those clearly. And so here they are. And that's what you get. Again, that beautiful aperture window so that you can look through it and build your magical scenes. We have our butterflies, that stunning dandelion, the little fairy, and these little like leafy greens. We have this vine here that you can add to your diorama in the background, a wishing well. Look at that river. It cuts so nicely. And then a little picket fence in case you want to add, make a little homey, cozy scene. And then we have the star there with the full moon and the bridge. Absolutely stunning die set. Next, we have our inspiration booklet, which features 15 projects with step-by-step instructions and guide photos to help you create those magical cards, those magical dioramas and scenes. And we have projects by Olga Direktorenko, of course, as well as Anne Melvin, Linda Parker, Claire Rogers, Carol Jones, and me. And you'll find everything from masculine makes to how to build your diorama scenes with your embossing folder, quick makes, beautiful cards all around. You're going to love every project inside. Now there's one more thing that I was saving till the end because it's the most magical treat of all. So inside the paper discovery box, you're going to get a 10-pound voucher to CraftStash. So 10 pounds for you to use. That's amazing. And you can use this on anything on the site. So whether you need to stock up on cardstock or adhesive, or maybe you need some more paper discovery dies, or maybe a new stamp set, then you can use your 10-pound voucher on that. I told you that this is truly a magical box. I'm just going to, close up my wallet. There we go, storage wallet. Try to put it in this box. It's all jam-packed. I'm going to close that up. And there it is, the Paper Discovery Papercraft Society box. So whether it's the beautiful diorama die set or whether it's the 3-in-1 embossing folder, this box is packed with gorgeous goodies to create whimsical and magical scenes. And of course, that 10-pound voucher, that really just tops the magic. It just makes it extra magical. Now you can get the complete details on how to sign up to the Papercraft Society at craftstash.co.uk/Papercraft Society. And don't forget that the deadline for the Paper Discovery box is December 21st. I'm Jeanette Lane. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.